Hello everyone, we are in Hamilton, Ontario, up on the mountain off of Wentworth Street. We're actually right across the street from Lime Ridge Mall, a very nice shopping center if you've never been. And we're here to visit the Suds Express car wash. It is a conveyor system, uses brushes and that, and it's attached to the Jiffy Lube oil change place. So there's an attendant on site in that little box there, and we're going to purchase the top car wash and give it a try. So I'll go get the ticket in that, and I'll start it back up when we're getting ready to go through the wash. Okay, so we just purchased the wash. I ask you to put the ticket up on the dash and just drive around here, and there's an attendant. No. He just asked me if I wanted the mirrors pushed in, and so I can just electronically do them just by pushing a button. And he asked if I wanted the antenna down, and I said no, it's fine, it never gets affected by the washes. So he just did a kind of a little pre-soak with the wand, and give the front scrub with the brush and that. See, starting off with a pre-soak. Try foam. Very good coverage. Once again though, on this vehicle, it doesn't get in the center. That must have to do with the width of the vehicle. Spot-free rinse. At this car wash, you have an option. I can show you. There's like a glass wall there. And you got a conveyor system. It's all indoors, and you can choose to get your interior done. All different packages. If you want to get your the inside of the car all detailed. does a really good job if you like the washes that have the brushes and that. I've always been a believer that if you've got a dark colored car, like this truck here is black, if you're going to use the touch car washes and that, you definitely risk getting the swirl marks and stuff like that. It's a lot more visible where I have a vehicle that's white also, and I've gone through multiple touch washes, and it just doesn't show it all on it just because it's so light. But nonetheless, it does a really good job, and I will say the dryers here are definitely one of the best. It's a lot of dryers on the sides and top and that are drying the vehicle, and it does a very good job. So anyways, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.